The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Mariposa County in central California, northeastern Tuolumne County in northern California, until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Tioga Pass, or 16 miles southwest of Twin Lakes, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glen Allen High Sierra Camp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.